In this episode, we will be talking about intersections. We have one-way, two-way, three-way, four-way intersections, but we are going to concentrate on the two ways and the four ways intersection. Stay tuned. Please join us po. Every single time you see a stop sign, stop at the stopping line. If you don't see it anymore, traffic check. Know if it's a four-way or a two-way. A two-way, you will have two stops. Traffic check again. If you're free, then you can go. You always read your stop signs. Okay. Always yield to those cars who has the right of way. Always go when clear. Every time it's merging, it's two-way. So you have to stop twice. Traffic check. Then inch forward. Try to look at the traffic. Traffic check again. If you're free, if it's clear, then you can always go. Merging into a bike lane 200 feet before you can merge. Signal, mirror over the shoulder, look at the broken line. Merge at the bike lane. If you don't have a stop sign, just keep moving. You only need to slow down. Always know your stop signs. Always read your stop signs. Second stop, traffic check. Free, then you can go. Another stop sign. So this one is a two-stop. Okay, so traffic check. 1, 2, 3. Go towards the curb. Check. Stop for the second time. Check for vehicles. If you're free, then you're always good to go. If you're free, you're always good to go. Okay. Let's check out the four ways. In some places, if it says always below the stop sign, it means everyone stops, first come, first serve. Before stopping at the stop line, you have to know. Four-way, you only have to stop once, first come, first serve. If you see a stop sign and it says always, it means it's a four-way. First come, first serve. Whoever comes first has to go first. Another stop sign. Again, if it says always, it means four-way. Everyone stops, traffic check, and first come, first serve. You only need to stop one time. Read your stop signs again. If it doesn't say always, it could mean it's a two-way intersection. The one thing that you can check is if you don't have a stop sign on your left side, then it is a two-way intersection. Therefore, it's a merging lane. It says always, it means everyone has a stop sign. You only need to stop once. Traffic check, then you're good to go. First come, first serve.